I'm getting it from Gideon Creations, and I'm going to show you how to make Shrek. Today we're going to make Shrek. We're going to start with his head. And now we're going to do his eyes. And his eyebrows. Now we're going to do some ears. We're going to do his inner ears. Now we're going to draw a smile. Now we're going to do his nose. Now we're going to draw his belly. And now we're going to do his... Since he kind of got like a little like stuff there. Now I'm going to do his shirt. Again, put the other side. Now we're going to do some buttons. Now we're going to do some rope. Now not. Now we're going to do his inside of his eyes. And now we're going to do this. Now do this. Now I'm going to do his fist. Now we know how to do his underarm. Now the bottom part of his shirt. And his belt. And his legs. His foot. Now I do his foot again. Now I'm going to do some of these to add texture. Now I'm the other color. His skin. They're going to take a brown and put in his eyeballs and his eyebrows. Now I'm going to do some circles over the thing. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm going to do a darker brown. This color. I'm going to do it lightly. I'm gonna do this. Now take a really light brown for his shirt. Now I'm gonna get that different kind of brown to his belt so it doesn't get all dirty kind of. Now go back to that really light tan. Now take a medium brown. We're gonna give him some patches on his shirt. His mom told me he lives in a swamp. I'm gonna do this for his leggings. I'm gonna do his shoes. And we're done. I hope you drew along with me. And if you did, you should join me on Facebook at Gideon Creations Inc. If your Shrek didn't turn out as you wanted it to, I still think it's good. I love to see everyone else's artwork. And don't forget to subscribe and see all my other videos. I'm doing more content just for you. Don't forget to like this video and come back for Gideon Tuesday. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you next week here at Gideon Creations. It's fun here at Gideon Creations at Period. And I'm even gonna do it when I'm an adult. Oh, Mom, no. So what's that first thing that you said? I think this was my shortest one now. Those are my favorite parts. Most of the whole movie, actually. Got no idea. Next, that's really warm now. It may be hard for me. I'm still gonna do it. I think you actually do. Me too. What? Is that why you're like? Okay. Yeah. Hi, I'm Gideon from Gideon Creations. I'm sure. Okay, now what? For my wetsuits. Yeah, 'cause that's fun. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I said that a lot. New way posing. You're going okay. Again? Okay, I don't really want to say the scorpion thing. That was easier. Yeah. Don't forget to like this video and come back for our Gideon 2Ds.